Welcome to MarineMax Pensacola. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of this 2020 Blue Hull Sea Ray 270 Sundeck Outboard. This is powered by a white Mercury 300 Verado. Does have the new oil check, fill, and cowling release right here on top. This boat has gray sea deck on the back. Plenty of seating here as well. And lots of storage on the transom. As we move forward, you'll see L-shaped seating, cockpit step, plenty of seats on the port and starboard side. These do have the flip back seats with the flip up bolster. Here at the helm, you'll see digital throttle shift, yacht certified, trim tabs, the full upgraded Simred glass dash with your gauges and your GPS together, flush mount fusion stereo with Bluetooth, head area on the port side with a vented window, glove box. Here in the front, you've got a bow block off door. Plenty of seating up in the bow. A beach boarding ladder. That concludes the walk